Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. And this could also be a misconception. But what it is there's a thing out there called a pet deposit. There's no such thing. It's a pet fee. See, when you use the word deposit, it implies they get it back at the end of the lease. A pet fee is not refundable. They don't get it back. So you better learn how to call it a fee and not a deposit. When I allow a dog or cat into one of my rental units, they pay a $500 pet fee and an extra $25 a month in rent. None of that is refundable. Now, are you going to make money off of that? No. Cats, dogs, I love them. I have 9. I love animals, but they do cause problems. There's cleanliness problems, there's chewing, there's urination, there's marking, there's all kinds of things that happen with animals just because of nature. You're not going to make any money off of that fee or the additional rent, but it should cover any damage caused by the pets. So again, it's not a pet deposit, it's a pet fee. It's non-refundable, they don't get it back. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.